Hello, I'm Mimi Taylor, and welcome to Included. This is our way of keeping you informed of what God is doing here at Life Worship Center. My Marriage Ministry presents My Cruise 2020. Set sail on the high seas to the Virgin Islands, St. Martin, St. Thomas, and San Juan, Puerto Rico on October the 10th through October the 18th, 2020. Text My Cruise to 919-756-7933 to register. We know it's still winter time, but springtime is right around the corner, and so is White Party 2020. This party is open to all adults, married, single, or dating. No childcare will be provided, so leave those little lovelies at home and get ready for a real date night, dressed in all white. We'll have more details later, but in the meantime, go shopping. Pick out that perfect white outfit for White Party 2020. Our next State of the Church address will be held on Sunday, January the 19th, immediately following worship service. We will discuss key performance indicators of our church, our vision for 2020, quarterly themes of faith, courage, authority, and action. We'll also talk about the growth and move strategy, as well as more information about Rise Academy. Please plan to attend, and again the date, Sunday, January 19th, immediately following worship. We'd like to wish everyone celebrating a birthday during the month of January a very happy birthday. We wish for you on your birthday that whatever you ask, that you receive. Whatever you seek shall you find, and whatever you wish for, may it be fulfilled on your birthday. And as always, happy birthday. Congratulations on another year spent together. Wishing you an anniversary as special as the love that you two share. Happy anniversary to everyone celebrating an anniversary during the month of January. Thanks for watching. You're now included.